Last video we have seen about actinomyces. In this video, let's see about nocardia. Nocardia resembles actinomyces morphologically, but it is aerobic, whereas actinomyces was anaerobic. Nocardia is gram-positive and acid-fast. The species which are acid-fast include Nocardia asteroides and Nocardia brasiliensis. Nocardia is more commonly found in soil and the infection may be exogenous. The infections produced by Nocardia are cutaneous, subcutaneous or systemic lesions in humans. The species of Nocardia include Nocardia asteroides, Nocardia brasiliensis and Nocardia caveae. The Nocardia resembles actinomyces morphologically, but the difference is Nocardia is aerobic and it is acid fast, weakly acid fast. The infections are cutaneous, subcutaneous or systemic lesions, and these are the species of Nocardia. Morphology. Nocardia is filamentous and rod-shaped bacteria. It is non-sporing, non-motile and catalase positive. Nocardia is gram-positive and also it is weakly acid-fast. And they are obligate aerobes. That is, they are strictly aerobic. Most common species causing infection is Nocardia asteroides, and the transmission of infection is through contaminated soil, as they are most commonly found in soil. The clinical forms of the disease caused by Nocardia. There are four major clinical forms. First is cutaneous infection. The cutaneous infection include local abscesses, cellulitis or lymphocutaneous lesions. Next is subcutaneous lesions. These are called as actinomycotic mycetoma. Mycetoma is a localized chronic granulomatous involvement of subcutaneous and deeper tissues. It most commonly affects the foot and rarely it can affect hand and other parts. Clinical features seen in mycetoma is tumor with multiple discharging sinuses. This infection was first described from Madura, a place in Tamil Nadu. So this disease was called as Madura mycosis. The Madura mycosis is usually caused by fungi, but sometimes it can be caused by bacteria like actinomyces and Nocardia. Diagnosis is very important to distinguish between the fungi or bacteria which are causing the mycosis. The diagnosis is by either of these two. First is examination of the color of granules. If the granules are white to yellow in color, it means it is actinomycotic mycetoma. That is, they are caused by actinomyces and Nocardia. If the granules are black, this means it is eumycotic mycetomas which are caused truly by fungi. Second is examination of crushed smears of granules. Thin filaments represent actinomycotic mycetoma, whereas stout filaments represent eumycotic mycetoma. Diagnosis is by isolation of the agent in the culture. Subcutaneous lesion is called actinomycotic mycetoma. The mycetoma most commonly affects foot and the clinical feature is presence of tumor with multiple discharging sinuses. It was first described from Madura, so known as Madura mycosis, which is usually caused by fungi. And these are the points to differentiate between bacteria and fungi causing Madura mycosis. The third clinical form of the disease is systemic nocardiosis. This includes pulmonary disease, pneumonia, lung abscess, and other lesions which are similar to tuberculosis. This systemic nocardosis is more common in immunodeficient persons. And the last clinical form is metastatic manifestations, which involve brain, kidney, and other organs. Coming to the lab diagnosis. First is by direct microscopy. Under microscope, partially acid fast branching beaded filaments are visualized in smears from the patient tissue. The partially acid fast branching and beaded filaments are visualized in smears from patient's tissue. Second is isolation in culture. Nocardia is aerobic, so it grows readily on ordinary media like nutrient agar. The nocardia produces dry, granular, and wrinkled colonies which produce certain pigments ranging from yellow to red. And different species of nocardia are identified by biochemical test. First, under microscope, acid fast branching filamentous structures are seen, and second is isolation in culture. As the nocardia is aerobic, they grow readily on ordinary media, producing dry, granular, and wrinkled colonies, and the pigments produced ranging from yellow to red. Different species are identified by biochemical test. Lastly, coming to the treatment. The organisms are resistant to penicillin. So penicillin cannot be used for treatment. Most effective treatment is by the use of sulfonamides like sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim combination called as cotrimoxazole. The treatment is most successful with skin and lung infections. Cotrimoxazole or minocycline given for several months is useful for treatment. In immunocompromised patients, amikacin and cefotaxime are advisable in addition. So treatment is by cotrimoxazole or minocycline given for several months. In immunocompromised patients, amikacin and cefotaxime are added. This is about nocardia. Thank you.